my channel, you know what I'm saying? Gang, gang.
Life without you been feeling kind of strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I straighten this hair. It's going to be a voiceover because your girl is feeling sick. I got this hair from Alipearl Hair, and this is their lace frontal wig in the texture body wave, and it's 22 inches and 180 density. And this hair is amazing. Like, I could probably say this is the best straight hair. Well, it's not straight, it's body wave, but like this is the best body wave textured hair that I've had because like it just feels so good. And I haven't washed it or anything. The only thing I've done is bleached the knots and plucked it, of course. I barely even plucked it though, and I washed the lace, but I haven't washed the hair yet, and it's still looking good. In this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be straightening my hair, so let's just hop right into that. But before that, if you're not already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too, period. But I'm going to stop rambling, and we're just gonna hop right into this video. Y'all, so I'm inside of this room that I keep all my weave and stuff in, and I realized that Alipearl Hair sent me, first of all, some lashes. I haven't looked in this box since I got it. I forgot all about it. But they sent me some lashes. These are actually some good quality lashes. Sometimes companies send you some BS, and then they gave me this bag. I'm guessing this is what the wig came in, but I guess I didn't remember. And then they sent me this little scarf thing, y'all. This is my favorite thing of like everything they sent me. Look, I could have easily used this for my frontal. Like, I just thought this was so cute that they sent this to me, so I just wanted to add this in the video. But yeah, gonna go back to, I guess, the video. Hey y'all, hey, so I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I'm about to straighten this hair. I already straightened a little piece of it just to see if it was gonna straighten out how I wanted to, because this is my first time straightening the hair, and it actually did. And I was like, I could just turn this into a video, so that's when I started recording. But as you guys can see, I'm using the chase method, and I'm using this flat iron. It's called Absolute Heat. It's nothing fancy or nothing like that. I got it from, well, my mom actually got it from, I think, Marshall's or either Ross, so it's not really an expensive flat iron, but it works. It gets the job done. Now, in this video, I didn't use any product on the hair just to see how it would straighten out by itself, and I haven't used any product on the hair thus far, but as you guys can see, it's straightening out pretty well. But if you want to get your hair way straighter than this, I advise you to use BioSilk. And if y'all don't know what that is, it's basically like a serum, and you put it on here and it just makes it look all silky and stuff. But like I said before, I didn't use that because, for one, I ain't have none, and for two, I just wanted to see if the hair was going to straighten out on its own. But yeah, I'm just going to be using the chase method and just going all around my hair. Okay, so I'm just going to give you guys my thoughts and everything on this hair, and basically like tell you guys my experience. So I've had this hair in for about like a week, or maybe even over a week, and I've just been curling the hair, and it curls nicely. It holds a curl. I will say that it holds a curl. I hate to like compare companies, but like it holds a curl better than IC hair. I don't know what it is about the hair that makes it hold a curl. And I also did cut layers into this hair, so it's like little layers in this hair, and I just find that it makes it look way naturaler, if that's a word, or way more natural. But here I'm just going to be using this hot comb. I got this from Walmart. It's called Andy's, and it was really cheap. It wasn't that much. I think it was like $20 if I'm not mistaken. I'm just going to be using this to kind of flatten out the hair because I want my hair to be nice and flat. So yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. So right here you can kind of start seeing where I cut layers into the hair, and as you can see, like, it's just making it look way more natural. And since I got a frontal, that's the look I'm going for anyway, and I just found that it just makes the hair look better, and it also makes the hair hold a curl better. And I like a good bang look when I curl my hair, so that kind of helps with that too. But yeah, I just want to tell you guys that. So maybe I'll have a video on how I actually like customize the wig and everything else. So yeah, let's just pray that that's on the way. But yeah, so here I'm just showing you guys how I'm about to be styling like the front of my hair. This is the most vital part if you want your hair to look good, because if your edges and like the front, it don't look good, then your whole head not gonna look good. I don't care how good you straighten your hair. But right here I'm just cutting the hair with these, I think these are eyebrow razors, but I don't use them for my eyebrows. But I got them from the hair store, and I'm just using this to cut the baby hairs, just make them look more natural. And I'm gonna be laying them down with foam. You guys will see. I'm just gonna be laying them down with foam and just basically just trying to make it look like my natural hairline as much as possible. So right here what I'm doing is I'm taking a little bit of the yellow got to be gel, and I'm going to be using this to kind of push the hair backwards just to make it look more natural. And I'm doing that with this toothbrush, and I just find that, like I said before, like if you got a frontal, you just want to make sure it looks natural. You want to make sure it's good and laid, and got to be is going to do that. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to be using this scarf just to tie down the top of my hair, make sure everything is laid in flat. And I'm also going to be using this to tie down my baby hairs, because as you guys are going to see in like a few seconds, I'm going to brush them back out, but I just need some of the foam to dry up, and you know how that stuff goes. Hey, so I'm brushing them back out, and basically what the foam does is just kind of molds it in place, so even if the baby hairs try to mess up throughout the day, they're literally gonna stay the way that they are. So I'm just brushing them out just to give it more of a natural look, and yeah, I'm pretty much done. So this pretty much concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I also hope you guys learned something. Everything about this hair is going to be listed in the description box. Like I said before, I've had a really good experience with this hair. The hair is nice. I've already probably stated my opinion on the hair, so I'm not going to go back over that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to thumbs this video up, and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next. And yeah, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not already, because my Cash Baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you could be lit too. Period. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.